This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Candace Kelly. Most ideal floor plan in the shores. Upgraded granite countertops and amp, stainless appliances, whitewood shutters on all window. Best views in SWFL. Fabulous unobstructed waterfront views offering picturesque panoramic sunsets and amp, sunrises. Feel like the water is right at your feet in this 3-bed 3-full bath with 10-foot high ceilings, crown molding, master lanai balcony, private guest balcony overlooking Gulf Harbor's Champion Golf Course, electric storm shutters and electric roll-up screens on lanai overlooking the 186-slip Deepwater Marina West/slips avail for purchase or lease. Gulf Harbour Yacht and Amp, CC is ranked number 1 in SWFL Florida, offering the best golf and amp, tennis for a Florida healthy lifestyle. Use one of your 8 owners' golf carts or bike down to the brand new 24,000 square foot wellness fitness facility that has everything you could ask for: smoothie cafe, TRX room, Cadillac/reformers, 30 complimentary fitness classes a week, TrackMan golf simulator, bar classes, cycle studio, weight room, and spa that has 6 massage therapists, manicurists, hairstylists, 2 restaurants and amp, bars with indoor and outdoor dining. Sports membership avail west/home. More photos to coming soon. For more information,